Chapter 27, titled Interest, Meaning, Nature, and Measurement. The reporters are Arlene E. Maniago from Barceloneta Fisheries School, a MAPI teacher, and Clarissa S. Saba from Teodoro Moscoso Elementary School, Carolina, Naga City, an elementary. Let us first define what is interest. First definition, a great attention and concern from someone or something, intellectual curiosity. Another definition, it is an attention that is given to or received from someone or something. Another one, interest is a feeling or emotion that causes attention to focus on object, event, or process. In contemporary psychology of interest, the term is used as a general concept that may encompass other more specific psychological terms. The interest has been defined as the feeling of a person whose attention, concern, or curiosity is particularly engaged by something. Interest is a feeling or emotion that causes attention to focus on an object, event, or process. In contemporary psychology of interest, the term is used as a general concept that may encompass other, more specific psychological terms. The interest has been defined as the feeling of a person whose attention, concern, or curiosity is particularly engaged by something. It is a result in curiosity towards the object of interest, enthusiasm to be attached to the object, strength of will to face difficulties while engaged in the task of one's interest, a definite change of behavior in the presence of an object characterized by attention and concentrations. Jones explained that interest is a feeling of likening associated with a reaction, either actual or imagined, to specific things or situations. According to Bingham, interest is a tendency to become absorbed in an experience and to continue it, while an aversion is a tendency to turn away from it. Everyone has each unique interest. So some people even pursue their career on the basis of their interest. A thing that interests us is just something that concerns us or matters to us. A latent attention that makes us in actions or move. So sabi nga ni Jones, kapag gusto natin, gagawa at gagawa tayo ng paraan. Kung curious ka, aalamin mo at bibigyan mo ng atensyon. At kapag nabigyan mo ng atensyon, matututunan at maintindihan mo. And that is interest. We go to the next slide. The nature of interest. Interest may be innate or acquired. Ibig sabihin, it is natural. Or ito po ay nakuha within the nature. Next, interest may be intrinsic or extrinsic. It is essential. Another one, interest is a personal meaning. Personal na explanation sa ibang tao kung bakit yan ang gusto mo. Another is interest and attention are closely related. Sabi nga, kapag interesado ka, nandyan ang focus and concentration kasi gusto mo. Last one, interest is be different from attitude. So, interest is not the same as attitude. Okay, factors influencing individual interest. First one is physical factors. Is environmental factors. What are the physical factors? We have physical health, physical development, social development, age and sex, education, sentiments, wishes, ideas, motives, and goals. For environmental factors, we have socioeconomic, family, culture, education, training, and opportunity. The types of interest. We have three types of interest. First is expressed interest. When we say expressed interest, it refers to interest in object, activity, subject or study, or occupation as verbally expressed by an individual. Number two, manifested interest. When we say manifested, it is referring to the actual participation in an activity or occupation. The last one is tested interest. It refers to an individual's interest as measured by interest inventories. How to measure interest? There are various methods of measuring interest, such as interviews, checklists, direct observations, questionnaires, and inventories. Questionnaires and inventories are the most important methods of measuring interest. Another way is interest inventories are a type of psychometric assessment used to measure a person's interest in different occupational areas. Most often, interest inventories are used in career analysis to assist in finding areas where an individual has strong interest and therefore it is more likely to enjoy the work. Kailan na-develop at sino po ang gumawa ng test para ma-measure ang interest? The test was developed in 1927 by psychologist Edward Kellogg Strong Jr. to career assessment and career counseling. So, meron po siyang ginawang assessment o test and then meron po siyang ginawang face-to-face counseling para ma-measure po ang interest ng isang tao. Iwan ko po kayo sa isang kasabihan, the true secret of happiness lies in taking a genuine interest in all the details of daily life by William Morris. And thank you. God bless.